I love the chance to get outside and have some space for my head, for my hands, and just the chance to have some freedom to think. When my hands are busy, my mind is freer, and it's just beautiful.
And for me, I love gardening because it's so good for your physical well-being, your mental well-being. I love being creative, which I can be in the garden. Grow something that you like and look around the neighbourhood because there's lots of things growing in other people's gardens, and that means they'll usually grow in your garden too.
Start with something that you love and then you can grow from there. Start with a job that you like and find a way of getting rid of the ones that you don't.
My advice for someone thinking about entering the garden competition is just do it. It's for everyone. It can be a small patio, it can be a gigantic landscape garden. It's just enjoyable.
A good inspiration to keep thinking of new ideas and evolving and challenging. Knowing that this is coming up is a great chance to have a bit of a clean up and a reminder to get back outside now the weather's warming back up.